Melbourne, the capital of the state of Victoria, is known as Australia's cultural capital due to its vibrant art scene and numerous festivals. The city was founded in 1835 and was named after British Prime Minister William Lamb, 2nd Viscount Melbourne. Melbourne is home to the largest urban tram network in the world, with over 250 kilometers of track and more than 480 trams. The city is famous for its coffee culture, boasting a high concentration of cafes and some of the best baristas in the world. Melbourne has been ranked as the world's most livable city multiple times by various organizations, including the Economist Intelligence Unit. The city's diverse population includes residents from over 200 different nationalities, contributing to a rich multicultural atmosphere. Melbourne hosts the Australian Open, one of the 4 Grand Slam tennis tournaments, held annually in January. The Royal Botanic Gardens in Melbourne cover 94 acres and feature 50,000 individual plants, making it a lush oasis in the city. Melbourne has a thriving street art scene, with famous laneways like Hosier Lane showcasing stunning murals and graffiti. The city is known for its unpredictable weather, where you can experience 4 seasons in one day, often within a matter of hours. Melbourne is home to the Australian Centre for the Moving Image, ACMI, which is dedicated to film, TV, and digital culture. The Melbourne Zoo, established in 1862, is the oldest zoo in Australia and is home to over 320 animal species. The iconic Flinders Street Station, built in 1909, is one of Melbourne's most recognizable landmarks and a hub for public transport. Queen Victoria Market, a historic landmark, is one of the largest open-air markets in the Southern Hemisphere, attracting millions of visitors each year. The city has a strong sporting culture, with major events like the Melbourne Cup, a prestigious horse race known as the race that stops a nation. Federation Square, with its unique architecture, serves as a cultural precinct and hosts numerous events, galleries, and restaurants. Melbourne is renowned for its theatre district, with venues like the Princess Theatre and the Arts Centre Melbourne hosting a variety of performances. The Melbourne International Comedy Festival, held annually, is one of the largest comedy festivals in the world, attracting comedians from around the globe. The city's laneways are filled with hidden bars and restaurants, many of which are tucked away from the main streets, making for a unique nightlife experience. Melbourne's Yarra River offers scenic views and is lined with parks, walking trails, and restaurants, making it a popular spot for locals and tourists alike. The National Gallery of Victoria, NGV, is Australia's oldest and most visited art museum, housing a vast collection of international and Australian art. The city is known for its festivals, including the Melbourne Food and Wine Festival, which celebrates the region's culinary excellence. Melbourne's Chinatown is one of the oldest in the world, dating back to the 1850s, and is renowned for its vibrant dining scene. The city has a strong music culture, with notable events like the Melbourne Music Week and a bustling live music scene featuring various genres. Melbourne is home to several prestigious universities, including the University of Melbourne and Monash University, both ranked among the top in the world. The city's skyline is dominated by the Eureka Tower, which features a glass cube observation deck offering panoramic views of the city. Melbourne sports teams, including the Melbourne Demons, AFL, and Melbourne Victory, A-League, have passionate fan bases and rich histories. The State Library of Victoria, established in 1854, is a stunning architectural landmark and houses millions of books and historical documents. St Kilda Beach, just a short distance from the city centre, is a popular destination for sunbathing, water sports, and enjoying the vibrant boardwalk. The city has a commitment to sustainability, with initiatives aimed at reducing carbon emissions and promoting green spaces. Melbourne is known for its unique culinary scene, including a wide range of international cuisines, food trucks, and gourmet food festivals. The Melbourne Aquarium features a range of marine life, including sharks, rays, and penguins, making it a family-friendly attraction. The city is also known for its Victorian-era architecture, with many well-preserved buildings reflecting its rich history. Melbourne sporting events often draw large crowds, with venues like the Melbourne Cricket Ground, MCG, hosting over 100,000 spectators. The city's public transport system includes trains, trams, and buses, making it easy to navigate and explore different neighborhoods. The Melbourne Star Observation Wheel offers a unique perspective of the city from 120 meters above ground. The city has a strong literary culture, with events like the Melbourne Writers' Festival celebrating authors and literature. The Melbourne Museum is the largest museum in the Southern Hemisphere and features exhibits on natural history, culture, and science. The city is known for its lush parks and gardens, including the Fitzroy Gardens and the Carlton Gardens, which are perfect for picnics and relaxation. The Australian Ballet, headquartered in Melbourne, is one of the world's premier ballet companies, performing both classical and contemporary works. Melbourne's Docklands area features modern architecture and waterfront dining, making it a trendy place to visit. The city has a rich Indigenous history, with the Wurundjeri people being the traditional custodians of the land on which Melbourne is built. Melbourne's vibrant fashion scene is highlighted during the Melbourne Fashion Festival, showcasing local and international designers. The city's nightlife is diverse, with everything from rooftop bars to underground clubs offering a myriad of entertainment options. The Melbourne Cricket Ground is not only a sports venue but also a significant cultural landmark, hosting concerts and cultural events. The city has several annual parades and celebrations, including the Moomba Festival, which includes a water parade and fireworks.